Positioned under Samsung's WW8400D series, the WW11DB8B95GBAH is not just a home appliance. It is a technology hub integrated with artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of energy efficiency and design. With a massive 11 kilograms capacity fitted into a standard 600 millimeters depth and being 40% more efficient than Energy Class A, this model stands out as one of the most ambitious players in the market. At the heart of this machine lies AI eco-bubble technology. This system turns detergent into bubbles, allowing it to penetrate fabrics 40 times faster. The AI aspect comes into play here. The machine detects the fabric type and optimizes the bubble amount, washing time, and temperature accordingly. This delivers 24% better soil removal performance even at low temperatures while offering 45.5% better fabric care. Going even further, the AI wash feature uses 5 different sensors to analyze the weight, softness, and soil level of the laundry. It automatically adjusts the water amount, detergent, and number of rinse cycles based on the current load. You simply load the laundry, and the machine does the thinking. This model is one of the most efficient machines on the market. By consuming 40% less energy than standard Class A machines, it protects both your electricity bill and nature. Activated via the SmartThings app, AI Energy Mode learns your washing habits and can reduce energy consumption by up to 70% by optimizing the temperature and cycle duration when necessary. In a rush, with the Super Speed Cycle, you can wash a full 5 kilograms load in just 39 minutes. This is made possible by Quick Drive technology, which shortens washing time through dynamic drum movement, and Bubble Shot technology, which sprays detergent-infused water directly onto the clothes. This spraying system not only cuts down time but also reduces water consumption by 20%. Thanks to SpaceMax technology, Samsung engineers have expanded the internal volume to reach an 11 kilograms capacity without increasing the machine's external dimensions. This is a huge advantage for large families. Coming with the bespoke design language, the flat design and tempered glass door are not only ultra-durable against scratches, but also add a modern, minimalist elegance to your bathroom or laundry room. Thanks to the auto-dispense system, you fill the detergent and softener once, and the machine uses it automatically for up to a month, eliminating the hassle of incorrect dosage. Regarding environmental sensitivity, the less microfiber cycle reduces microplastics shedding from clothes by 54%, helping to prevent ocean pollution. With a 20-year warranty on its digital inverter motor, hygiene steam feature, and self-cleaning drum structure, the Samsung WW11DB8B95GBAH is indisputably one of the top-tier choices for users seeking longevity, speed, capacity, and smart technology all in one package.